Bojie Dy himself that will turn over the documents to the ICI today.
Ano pong mga documents?
Ayun po nga transcripts nung dalawang pagdinig at syempre iba pa hong mga documented evidence na present particularly yung pong mga litrato at mga financial statements na nakal particularly dito po sa Maniskayas at yung pong mga litrato screenshots na pinakita po ni Bryce Hernandez at Jake Mendoza.
Baka gusto nyo lang mag-comment, sir, doon sa pinapa-freeze po ng DPWH yung assets, air assets, nasa 5 billion daw po yata, ng pag-aari ni Sadico, Business Aviation, lahat. And paano ba pwedeng tumulong, kumbaga yung camera, kumbaga sa ganito? And what do you think, sir?
Well, malaya po yung DPWH to do what it needs to do to get to the bottom of this. So, all of the freeze orders relating to actual assets, bank accounts, pwedeng gawin yan ng ating pong Anti-Money Laundering Council through request. So, I think it will be the DPWH and the DOJ that will make the corresponding request relating to all the personalities involved in flood control corruption.
How do you think the leadership can